everyone, and today we're going to paint trees, okay? Let's start. To prepare the paper, we're going to need a 2-inch brush and blue color, black and green and white, okay? Let's start. Put a lot of paint on your brush. Yeah, just full of it. So, and this time we go like a circling, like curve, okay? Not going left and right. We go like a little half circle, stretch like this. Just cover all over the place. Leave the bottom. We're going to put a dark color, okay? So if you have a clip like I have, you also need to put a color under the clip, okay? Alright, here we're going to put a little bit black to make the blue a little darker, and then we do the bottom, okay? This time I go to the left and the right. Also put a little bit dark color on the top corner and get a little bit white where the sun is lighter, okay? We just gently touch a little bit white in the right corner, so it can very gentle, okay? Just touch a bit. Yeah, just like that, circling. And then get a lot of white and start with the center and then spread out a little bit more. That's where the sun is, okay? And then later on we're going to add a little bit yellow in it. Okay, now we wait until it's dried up. Alright, now find a brush like this and we're going to touch a bit yellow into the white. Alright, just a little bit like the sun is there. Alright, that's it. And we'll go on and do the next move, okay? And you find an angle brush. We're going to do the mountains first. Okay, we're going to do the mountains in the background here. Just get some dark color. You can put a little bit green in it or just black is fine. And just goes around here. Do a little bit only. Yeah, under the clip also. And then the bottom, you goes sideways to make, because in the bottom there's a water, okay? So, and the mountain is between the sky and the water. We're going to do a few rocks here. Use the same brush, just get some white touch. Not all of them, just a little bit here and a little bit there. That white make the contrast will show up like there's a rock there. And then we're going to get a little more wider color to put a little details in. Here we change to a smaller brush and get a little wider than the color we have in the tree. Just shape it up, the rock a little bit more. Add some highlights in, okay? Just goes around the rock so you can decide where to put the light, okay? And that will make the rock stand out a little bit more. Now we'll go back, get some dark color, add a little bit dark in between each rock. Those are like the shadows, okay? Just to make a little more contrast. Yeah, add a little more color here. And now we're going to do the tree, okay? So you get some dark green first. Just add some black into the green color. And the fan brush, you use a corner. Just touch bit first, and then yeah, touch on the other side also, and then change to another corner and do the other side a little bit and leave spot in between, okay? And then a little more pressure when the bigger leaves are. So, and you can just do both sides like this, press, little pressure on the brush, it will put leaves, Okay, so it's pretty easy. You just have to switch the brush on both sides. Use the corner to do the both sides of the tree. All right, and then you do a little bit on top. Just use the corner. Yeah, and then continually doing other ones. So you just keep trying a few on another piece of paper until you're sure you can do it. You can do it on your pen. Okay. And here a few small ones. The small ones you can just use the corner of the brush. Alright, you don't have to press too much. Just gently touch here and there. It doesn't have much details, so you actually can leave them this way. But today I want to show you more details, so I will put another 2 layers of a lighter color to make a little more interesting. To add lighter color, pretty much similar way with the first time. Just make sure don't cover all the dark color, okay? Just put on top a little bit light color, so that will show the contrast. If you cover everything, it doesn't matter to do it once or twice anymore, okay? Just be careful so you don't put too much pressure when you do the second layer. Okay, now I'm adding a little bit yellow in it. Well, you cannot see it, but anyway, just add a little bit yellow into the green. Alright, and then you add the tree trunks first, but just touch here and there a little bit. And this time, you only gently tap on top of each leaf a little bit, gentle color. So this is the highlight. So it doesn't have to do it too much. Just here touch a bit, there touch a bit, okay? And you see the tree stand out after you put the highlight in, alright? Alright, we're going to start doing the water. You got to watch the brush this time. So we get a little bit light blue, almost like white, and you use the fan brush, goes sideways, but you don't press and then go all the way, draw a line. You go break lines right and left, here a little bit, there a little bit, okay? It's a right and left strokes, and then later on into the water, you can put the brush down a little bit more, draw bigger strokes, okay? And you see the fan brush, it doesn't cover everywhere. That's the best, okay? On the water, you don't want to cover all the blue, so the light part is the reflection of the light on the water, okay? Make sure don't cover all the dark color. You need them, all right? Okay, we done most of the water surface. Now we're going to get some white color on the fan brush. This is where the light's hitting through the water, okay? So you just do the same like the left and right strokes here and there, and then it come toward to you. It should be have a longer, each strokes it will be longer than one far away, okay? And then once you're done with the strokes, you just put it down your brush and gently smooth it a little bit, so that will make look more natural, okay? And here you need add a little bit light blue on the middle and the side. Of course you need some white line in the edge of the water, okay? And it just touch a little bit here and there, the highlight. We're almost done. Sign your name and then see you in next video, okay? Happy painting. Okay, one more thing, you'd like to learn more? Don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay?